love nachos, then I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to make them in the air fryer. Keep watching. Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, welcome, welcome. So friends, we love nachos in our house. I don't know if you've noticed, I do a lot of Mexican. And my son will make nachos in the microwave or in the oven a lot of times when he comes home from school, because he gets home earlier. Him being a senior, he doesn't have a full day, and he'll make them for lunch a lot of times. I make them for lunch a lot of times, and I'll do a huge sheet pan in the oven for dinner. But it's like I don't want to heat the house up, especially in the summertime with the oven. When I do it in the microwave, the plate gets like all this moisture on it and all, and I don't know, it doesn't get crispy. The cheese melts, but it doesn't get crispy. So a while back I decided, hey, let's put them in the air fryer. So that's how we've been making them now. I just put it in the air fryer, and friends, they are absolutely delicious. And the best part is they cook quick, and I mean quick. So let me stop talking. Let's go over all the ingredients and then we'll get started. All right, my friends, so I have some Mexican style cheese. You know I love that. That's my favorite cheese. I'm almost out of this, but I do have 3 bags in the freezer. I got enough for today's dish, so I'll be using that. I have some of the Casa Mamita restaurant style salsa. I get that at Aldi. It's one of my favorites. I have some sour cream, black olives. These are the best chips. It's on the border. I like the dip-in chips. I don't know, they taste a little bit better than the regular triangle shaped ones. And these are great. They're a lot easier to eat, especially if you want to use them for a dip. I have some avocado mash, and I have some green onion and jalapeno peppers. Now friends, this is just what I'm putting on my nachos for my lunch. I oftentimes add more. I'll do guacamole instead of avocado. I will do black beans. Sometimes I'll do refried beans, tomatoes. It's whatever kind of toppings that you want. I just want to show you how quick and easy it is to do this in the air fryer. And this is what I'm going to be using just for today's lunch. And I have some parchment paper up there. I'm going to put that in the air fryer basket just to make it easier to get it scooped out and onto my plate instead of having it stick with all the cheese on the tray. And I think when I take it off to show you guys, it's going to be a mess. So I'm going to use a little bit of parchment paper, and you can use parchment paper in the air fryer. You just got to be careful of the temperature. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, friends, so you saw the ingredients that I'm going to be using. Like I said, you can use whatever ingredients you want that you like on your nachos. The sky is the limit. So let's go ahead and put this together. And friends, honestly, this is going to take no time at all. Let's get started. All right, my friends, instead of putting this on my basket, or my tray, I'm just going to sit this right here on the grid, because I am lining it with parchment paper, so I don't have to worry about the cheese dripping through. So too much going over. So you're just lining it just like that. Okay. Taking my chips, get some in there. I'm going to spread them out. Get them unstacked. Turn them over since I'm using the scoops. Alright, add a few more. Alright, so at this time I'm going to go ahead and add on my cheese. You don't want many gaps because you don't want the cheese all over the place. So if you can try to close the gaps as much as possible, that would be great. I hope this cheese, I can stretch this cheese out because my other cheese is in the freezer still. I think I have enough. Yeah. Okay. And now I'm going to go ahead and take some of my olives that I have here, and I'm going to sprinkle those around. Alrighty. Like I said, you can use black beans if you want. Your decision. Then I'm going to take half of my green onion, and I'm going to sprinkle that around. Just like that. And then I like to do a layer of salsa. I don't use tomato if I'm using the chunky salsa. I just feel like there's more than enough in there, but if you don't want to use chunky salsa, you can use tomato, or you can use tomato with it. Doesn't matter. Okay. I'm not using a whole lot. Okay. And now I'm going to go ahead and do another layer. I wish you guys could smell this. It's already smelling good and I haven't even started cooking yet. Alrighty. Now I'm going to take some more. I'm going to put my cheese on top. So I'm going to do some olives. Just like that. Now we're going to put the cheese. Ready? Friends, I had just enough cheese for this dish. Woohoo! Alrighty. I'm going to take a few more green onion. Or the rest of my green onion, I should say. Top it off. And then we're going to take our salsa again. Sprinkle that around. How pretty. And you can even add chicken in here, friends. I've done that as well. I have buy that rotisserie chicken. If you've been following me for a while, you know I love that rotisserie chicken at Costco. I just froze all of it and I don't have any in the fridge right now. But normally, I will add chicken in here as well. So now I'm just going ahead and adding my jalapeno peppers, which you do not have to do. Alrighty, now let's go ahead and get this in the air fryer. Alright, my friends, let's go ahead and put this in there. And hit the air fryer button. Oh, air fryer. We're going to put it on 325. We're going to put it in for 3 minutes, no more, and then we'll check it. Alright, my friends, let's do a quick peek. Oh, it's looking good. I'm going to put it in for another minute. I'm going to put it 2 minutes, but I'm going to turn the little light on and check it when it hits the 1 minute mark. Alright, my friends, I did put the light on and checked it at the 1 minute mark, and I thought it could go longer. Yep, perfect. Got a little bit of, oops, I'm going to leave that in there. Just take out the basket. Oh my goodness. There we go. You guys see that? Oh, look at that, friends. I'm going to let it cool a little bit, plate it up, and do a taste test. Alright, my friends, we're going to take this off. Just slide it right on down. That didn't go as pretty as I had hoped it would, but better than expected. Look at that. Oh my goodness. So now I'm going to go ahead and add some sour cream. Oh, let me put these down like that. Oh my goodness, look at this. How delicious does this look, friends? Look at that. Oh my goodness. So delicious. So now I'm just gonna put some sour cream right in there. And I like some avocado. So we're gonna pop some avocado right in there as well. You can use guacamole if you want. Alrighty, now let's do our taste test. Alright, my friends, there you have it. I'll put up a closer look at the end. Oh my goodness. Ha ha ha. Oh, they're so good. I know they're so good. We do this all the time. And you can put your salsa on at the end if you don't want it on. It does get a tad bit soggy if you put the salsa, but I like the layered effect of it. Oh, I have some salsa on the other layer too, but you don't have to do it that way. You can just top it. It does get a tiny bit soggy, but it's so delicious. I'm gonna go enjoy these so much. This is like my breakfast / lunch. So anyway, friends, excuse me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I really had a good time doing Air Fryer February. This is my last video for February. March, we have exciting things coming. We have St. Patrick's Day and Easter in March. So I'll be doing some recipes for that, as well as just some other general recipes. So I hope that you hit that subscribe button, because you're not going to want to miss any of those. So friends, thanks so much. I do appreciate it. And if you don't mind, please go check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am active on all those social media sites as well. Thanks so much, and I'll catch up with you next time. Bye.